Hello, so what I have here is my apple turnovers, and here's my basic ingredients: cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, salt, unsalted butter, lemon. I'm gonna use some puff pastries, 6 apples, some brown sugar, and some vanilla extract, and some regular sugar. Then I'm just gonna cut these babies up, and then I'm gonna chop the apples up into little tiny pieces because I'm gonna make little apple turnovers so cute. So we're gonna throw our butter in. Well, we're gonna throw everything in, and we're gonna throw the sugar in, our vanilla, our nutmeg, our cinnamon, our everything. You name it, it's going in there. The apples, everything. Then I'm gonna give it a nice stir. And once I give it a nice stir, I'm gonna let it come to a boil and let everything get nice and gooey. Once it gets gooey and we're all happy with that, I'm gonna do the best thing. The most important thing is I'm gonna add some cornstarch with a little bit of water, and this is gonna help it get nice and thick and gooey while it chills. So just gonna give this a nice stir, let it sit while we get our puff pastry together. I'm gonna roll it out, flatten it, cut it up into some little fours, put my little apple in there, put some egg wash on the sides, cover it up, flip it, zip it. Then I'm gonna fix little edges that's a little messed up, put the fork, make sure it's closed, put it on some parchment paper, put some slivers in there so it has some nice air so it doesn't bust open. Then we're gonna let this chill for about 20 minutes. Then once it chills, we're going to take it back out, and then we're going to bless it with some more egg wash on top of it so it gets that lovely golden brown color that all lovely pastries get that we want. And then we're going to bake it for 23 minutes, and boom, here we go. I got my pastries. I'm so freaking excited. I can't even believe that I did this. This is amazing. So I'm going to take this out, let it cool for a little bit. Once it cools, I'm gonna put my frosting on top, so I'll do that while these chill. I'll switch it over to a rack. Once I put it on the rack, I'll let it chill a little bit more, and I'm just so amazed by how beautiful and golden they are. Like, it's just so amazing, and letting them chill really helped with the sealing. Like, only one of them bust, but overall they all came out great. So then I'm gonna take my lovely frosting and drizzle it on top, and there you go. That's it. This is like the perfect breakfast munchie. I could eat it any time of the day, and you can just save them for later. These are the second batch. I couldn't wait. I just drizzled it on because I wanted to eat one. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.